What's going on, guys? Today we'll be doing a quick unboxing and review of the Multifunction foam pack in signature canvas with camel print by Coach. Now this item was purchased on the Coach outlet store online. Comes nicely packed and well protected. So let's go ahead and get it unwrapped. Now let's go ahead and give you guys a quick look at the pouch. Now I have to say the hardware and the build quality of this bag is absolutely excellent. Here you have your little pouch for your AirPods. Let's go ahead and give you guys a quick look at the interior of the pouch. Now this is perfect to fit an iPhone 12 Pro Max and possibly a small wallet, which I will demonstrate later in the video. You can also go ahead and detach the AirPods pouch. This is a perfect bag for on the go to carry your car keys and your phone. The phone I am using is the Samsung Note 9. Here are my car keys with 2 key fobs. And there's still a little bit of room to add a few more things, such as a lotion or a chapstick. Thanks for watching guys, and if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.